lowercase cursive letter D follows the cursive letter A because the pattern is the same. You begin with your over curve, your lead in and your over curve, then a down curve, under curve. The only difference is you go all the way to the top line. You have your slant and an under curve. Over curve, down curve, under curve, all the way to the top, slant, which is basically retracing, and then an under curve. All the way to the top, down. Again, avoid those floating letters. Over curve, down curve, under curve, slant, under curve. Lead right into another one, even a third one. Okay, try to keep consistency between your letters. Then you may want to practice the words add, A, D, up, down, all the way up and down. There's add, and, A, N, two humps, D. These are great words to practice because you have both the letter A and D involved in these words. Dad, D, A, D. In the beginning, you may have to write your words a little bit slower so that as you're coming back and retracing, that you flow or try to retrace the line as best possible. Sometimes if you move too quickly, if you write the word dad and you don't come back to retrace, you start to separate. I did that on purpose to show you that you start to separate your letters, and you don't want to do that. You can practice the word wind now that you know these letters. W. Remember with the W and that check stroke, you go right into your I, N, D. Come back, got your I, mud, M, U, D.